Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm gonna explain about special hook. React provide lot of built-in hooks that you can use in React app. But besides them, you can make your own custom hook. Use it in your app, result in better readability and reduce the amount of code. From this introduction itself, you get to know that in this video I'm gonna explain about custom hooks. In custom hooks, we have three important points to learn. First, drive, second one is reuse, third one is use. So let's see what is use. A custom hook is a JavaScript function whose name starts with use and that may call other hooks. So the core idea for this definition is when we create a custom hook, definitely we should use a keyword use. And we can use other hooks also. For example, here you can see the use keyword. We have to use this keyword before the function name. Next, we are going to see about dry. So dry means do not repeat yourself. The main core idea for this, do not repeat the code again and again by yourself. The definition of dry is a principle of software development that aims at reducing the repetition of the pattern and code duplication in favor of abstraction and avoiding redundancy. Next, we are going to see about reuse. Here you can see within a one function we can write whole logic and it will be more complex. Instead of this we can write the each logic separately and we can reuse again and again. We have a function called addition and subtraction and we can separate them into function and addition as a separate function so we can reuse wherever we need. Till now, we have seen the important concepts of the custom hooks. Next, we are going to see the practical demonstration of custom hook. First, I'm going to create a fetch method, then I will replace the fetch method with the custom hooks. So let's create the variable called data to assign a fetch method and assign asynchronous function. So inside the asynchronous function create await and fetch, provide the URL here, then provide then and move this then to the down. So let's provide the asynchronous function here async and use the arrow function. Here to update the data we need use state. So I'm creating a new use state with constant data1 and set data1. So assign the use state here and provide array because in this URL we will get the data in array. So next I will provide await set data1. So now copy the await and place inside await and response.json function. So now it will convert the data into JSON format. So the function will be triggered by this command. Next, console the data. Here we can console data1. Let's open the terminal, trigger the function and you can access this URL and open the console. You can see all these array here. So I'm going to remove the elements here and provide fragments and div tag, and so inside the return tag I am going to provide data1 the use state with array dot map arrow function. So provide return and fragments. So here the parenthesis we named as data and provide div element inside here curly braces data dot title. So let's go to the front end and make this pull up and refresh the page. You can see here all the data has been listed in the front end. So now I'm going to create a new hook. First of all, I'm going to create a components. Inside this component, I'm going to create use fetch.jsx and rfce. Here we have created a function called rfce and remove this one and go to the index page, and get this functionality and paste it here and return with array. So it will always should return array data1. So here we need use state. So I'm going to copy the comments from here, paste it here. So let's remove the first line. So here we have use state. The data function will trigger, then data will be get from this URL and updated to the set data1. Then it has updated the return value, return the data1. Next, here I am going to use import use fetch and constant data1 use fetch, and here we will have the props to get the data URL, and here also I am going to remove this and replace as URL. I will place the URL here. So the URL will be passed to the use fetch. Then the URL will be assigned to the fetch. It will get the data. It will return the data here, and we will get the proper front end. And you can reuse this use fetch in multiple places. So let's go to the front end. So here no data has been listed. So we can see the URL has been invalid. So here we have provided the curly braces. After removing this, the problem will be solved. Let's go to the front end. You can see here all the data has been presented here. So close the terminal, and you can see here wherever we use this use fetch method, like this, we have to just pass the URL, it will return the data. With this one line we can reduce more number of lines. Now we have reached the final part of this video. Please provide your thoughts on custom hooks in comment section. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.